Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make toys made of paper. First, gather your basic supplies such as various types of paper, a good pair of scissors, and reliable adhesive like craft glue or a glue stick. Next, select a straightforward design, perhaps a simple animal or a geometric shape, to start your crafting adventure. Carefully follow the provided instructions, paying close attention to folding lines and cutting guides. This foundational approach ensures a smooth and enjoyable first experience in paper toy creation. To elevate your paper toy creations, consider using a self-healing cutting mat and a craft knife for incredibly precise cuts, especially on intricate patterns. Understanding fundamental origami folds, such as valley and mountain folds, is crucial for shaping your designs accurately. For added durability, reinforce critical joints and stress points with a small piece of clear tape or by adding an extra layer of paper. These techniques will significantly improve the quality and longevity of your finished toys. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more complex patterns, like articulated figures or detailed miniature buildings. Consider incorporating movable parts by designing clever tabs and slots that allow for rotation or bending. Don't forget to personalize your creations. Adding decorative elements such as paint, colored pencils, or fine-tip markers can bring your paper toys to life with vibrant colors and intricate details, making each piece truly unique. After all your hard work, it's time to proudly display your amazing paper toys. Find a safe, dry spot away from direct sunlight and excessive humidity to preserve their integrity and colors. To keep them looking their best, gently dust them regularly. Remember, these handmade treasures are delicate, so handle them with care. Also, for an effortless way to keep your crafting space tidy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic tool for maintaining a clean environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.